Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on keyboard and mouse for beginners, updated. Start by creating a new world and adjusting difficulty to peaceful. I will walk you through movement, camera control, basic crafting, and inventory management in clear steps. You will learn how to place blocks, switch tools, and use hotbar shortcuts so you can feel confident exploring, building, and surviving with keyboard and mouse. Mastering controls and camera feels empowering and will boost your gameplay quickly. I explain how to use mouse buttons for breaking and placing, how to adjust sensitivity, and when to switch camera views. You will practice strafing, strafing plus jumping, and smooth turning to aim better. These tips make combat, mining, and building more natural and responsive when playing Minecraft with keyboard and mouse. Crafting and inventory management are simple once you know the hotkeys and recipes. I show how to open inventory, move items, and craft a wooden pickaxe in 3 clear steps. Learn to use number keys to switch tools, shift-click to move stacks, and organize your hotbar for emergency items. These habits will save time so you can focus on exploring, mining, and building without fumbling during action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.